In this video, we're checking out the RODE VideoMic Me-L, and we're answering some common questions to see whether it's better to use this over your standard iPhone mic. Welcome to the Drake Conversation. I'm Isaiah Drake.
And I'm Kristy Drake.
And today we're reviewing the RODE VideoMic Me-L. Recently in some of our vlogs, we've noticed that our iPhone mic has been picking up wind as well as a lot of other noise around us when we're out visiting places. So we really wanted to invest in a good quality mic to block out the wind and to really give us some good quality audio that catches our voices. So let's open it up and stay tuned for our tests. All right, let's get this open. All right, and now we have the inside of the RODE VideoMic Me-L. So we've got the actual mic, which has the lightning connector. So there is a previous version of this one, which is just the RODE VideoMic Me. So if you do need one with a 3.5mm jack instead of the lightning connector, you can find that in the link in the description as well. But this one is for the VideoMic Me-L. So it does have that lightning connection for your newer model iPhones. So I've got that. It's also got the audio jack that you can plug headphones into if you're wanting to monitor your audio as you're recording. We've got the dead cat, and we've got a cap which helps keep the mic on your phone if you need that extra bit of support. Quick start guide. Just some things here. Alright, so just to show you how it plugs in, just plug it straight into the lightning connector. You can plug it in either side. And one of the great things about this particular one, the new model, so the VideoMic Me-L, is because of the shape of the lightning connector itself, is that the mic is actually quite secure and stays in position. You'll see on the previous model, because it plugs into the 3.5mm jack, which my phone doesn't have, but the mic can actually spin around, which isn't really what you want, which is kind of where this comes into, where this does plug onto the back here, which can help keep it on your phone. In my opinion, after placing it on now and seeing how it feels without the cap, I don't necessarily think you need this to keep it on, as it does fit quite well. Just clicks into place into that lightning connector. Alright, we are here at our local park and we're just using the iPhone mic at the moment. There is a little bit of wind, so you probably might be getting that through the mic. We are just about to test out the RODE mic and you'll hear the difference. Alright, so we've just put the RODE mic into the iPhone and we've got the dead cat on the mic as well. So let us know what you think of the sound in the comments, but this is with the dead cat and the RODE mic plugged in. What we'll try now is we'll take the dead cat off to see what that sounds like as well.
Dead cat is off, so just to see what that sounds like.
So we finished filming the outdoor test for the mic, but I realized I didn't do an indoor test, so I'm just going to quickly do that now and then we're going to jump back to our outdoor footage. So right now I'm just using the iPhone XR with its built-in microphone. Okay, so I've just plugged in the mic into my iPhone and this is what it sounds like without the dead cat on. So now we're going to put the dead cat on and see what that sounds like too. A great thing about this mic is that it's just plug and play. You don't have to download any software, just plug it into your phone and it'll work right away. This is what it sounds like with the dead cat on the mic connected to the iPhone. But now we're going to jump back to our outdoor tests where we're doing some directional tests as well as distance tests, so check that out now. So now we're going to be testing the direction of the mic. So we'll just turn the mic around now and you'll be able to hear our voice should be getting more faded now. And as we come back around to us, yeah, you'll hear that we're a bit louder. We currently have the dead cat on as well, so that should be cutting out the wind. But just again, this is what it's like away from the subject, and this is the sound facing the subject. Okay, so I'm starting from about 10 meters away from the mic at the moment, so you'll be able to hear the difference as I'm getting closer. I'm about 5 meters away from the mic now, and as I get closer, again I'm getting louder, and that's a good distance test. Okay, so we've just checked the footage that we've taken today as we've been out with the park with all the different tests we've done, and you can definitely hear the difference with the Rode mic on, especially with the dead cat on as well. So one of the main reasons we got this mic is that in some of our previous videos we noticed there was a lot of wind, it was catching, and we really wanted to get rid of that, and you can hear it, the difference. The dead cat on this mic is amazing. It cuts out the wind, you can still hear our voices really clearly. We're outside, there's been people around. It's really good to get the sound you're wanting to put into your videos.
Yeah, like for example, where we're standing currently, there's a road right there that cars are driving past on, and you'll hear in the video they're very faint. So it's definitely great for improving your video quality.
So if you want to pick up this mic for yourself, check out the description below. The link will be there for you. So don't forget to check the description below if you want to check out the RODE VideoMic Me-L.
And don't forget to subscribe. We've got another episode of Where to Go in Brisbane coming out next week.
See you next time.